In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Sheets as CSV. Exporting your spreadsheet as a CSV file is really useful when you need to move data into another app, like a database, a mailing tool, or a reporting system. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a very simple, widely supported file format. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to export your Google Sheet as a CSV, step by step. First, make sure you already have your Google Sheet open in your browser. This should be the sheet that contains the data you want to export. Take a moment to double check that everything looks correct. Your headers, your rows, and any filters or sorting you've applied. Remember that CSV files don't keep formatting such as colors, fonts, or formulas. They only keep the raw values that appear in each cell. Once your sheet is ready, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the main menu bar that includes options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on the File menu. This opens a drop-down list with various actions you can perform on your document, such as creating new files, sharing, and downloading. In that File menu, move your cursor down until you find the option labeled Download. Hover over or click on Download. This will open a side menu listing different formats you can use to save your spreadsheet to your computer. Some of the common ones you'll see are Microsoft Excel, PDF, and others. From this list, look for the option that says comma separated values. Depending on your view, it may mention that it's for the current sheet. Go ahead and click on the CSV option. As soon as you click it, Google Sheets will prepare the file and your browser should start downloading the CSV version of your current sheet. By default, the file will usually be saved to your computer's Downloads folder, unless you've set a different location. The file name will typically match the name of your Google Sheet, with CSV at the end. You can now open this CSV file in a text editor, spreadsheet program, or import it into another tool that accepts CSV imports. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully exported your Google Sheet as a CSV file.